Hello, my name is Tim Smith, and I'm a student at Edgecombe Community College, enrolled in the UAS, Unmanned Aerial Systems Drone Flying Certification Program. And so I'm attempting to get a certificate in order to fly drones commercially. Um, I reside here in North Carolina. I'm retired from the military, and so I'm originally from Cincinnati, Ohio. But after I retired from the military, I settled down here in North Carolina, and this is one of the things that I was interested in is that drone certification program. I'm learning a lot in this program about different types of drones, different capabilities of drones, about the environment around the drones, about safety, about myself, about sensors, and about the weather, and about charts and maps. And it's a very comprehensive program. Um, there are all types of drones out there. Currently, drones are being used to perform surveys, provide aerial inspections and photography, cinematography. Um, they're used in agriculture and many other applications. And so I'm looking at different types of drones and where my future is going to take me. Right now, I'm flying this drone. It's the DJI Mavic 2, DJI Mavic Mini, and it's got a camera on the front and it's got some propellers on top. It's a quadcopter, so to say, and it will allow me to see some things. And I also have another drone here. It's just a regular commercial UFO HF drone, which has a lot less capabilities, but it can still get up in the air and do some things that other drones do. Right now, uh, after I complete my certification program, which I'm expecting to do, I'm looking at some other drones. I'm looking at the DJI Mavic 3 Pro and the DJI Mavic 3T. Um, Both of the drones are greater than 250 grams, but they also have some capabilities that these drones that I just showed you, the practice drones that I'm working with right now, do not have. They have the optical avoidance systems, and they have some really great camera capabilities to be able to provide uh, visual inspection. The Mavic 3T can also provide thermal inspection. And so these are a couple of things I'm looking at. The reason why I want to be a drone pilot is it just fascinates me being able to get the view from up in the sky, maybe not too far up, 100, 200, 300 feet, and also be able to provide a service that that would be more cost effective for others and also less work. So to me, drone flying is working smarter, not harder. And so this is the new thing that we're doing. And so that's why I want to do it because I'm fascinated with it. So that's all I have. Check out Edgecombe Community College online, and maybe you'll get enrolled in the drone program. Take it.